What's up, everybody? Baron Von Strug coming at you doing another Pokemon card opening. Finally got our hands on the Shadow Rider V box set from Chilling Reign. Also found an Eternatus V Tin. Let's crack these things open and see what we can pull. So, to be honest with you, this is actually the first I'd ever seen this Eternatus tin. Wasn't really collecting Pokemon kind of until Battle Styles came out. I collected a long time ago as a kid, but this was kind of something new. Of course, this tin looks like it did come with Eevee, Pikachu, or Eternatus. They did have all three, but I didn't have any Eternatus Vs, so I went ahead and picked it up. Have no idea actually what's going to be inside here, aside from obviously from the promo card. So you get the promo version of Eternatus V, which I've played against Eternatus V decks. They are definitely not fun to play against. Very, very good decks. Probably build one eventually down the road at some point. So it looks like here we got 2 Vivid Voltage, Rebel Clash, Burning Shadows, and Sun and Moon Base. Of course, only downside to that, though, of course, is Sun and Moon Base and the Burning Shadows will be rotated out here in a couple weeks. So they will no longer be standard legal. So that part kind of sucks. You're going to get cards here that I can't necessarily, it's weird. Really like piece of the plastic inside. So these won't be standard legal here in a couple weeks, but still cool to collect, and we'll see what we get in here. So Alolan Rattata. Pretty cool. Love finding the Kanto Pokemon. Let's see. Crabrawler here. And Palisand. Alright. That's our rare. Then two, a Fairy Energy. Double colorless. Use that in the Blissey V deck I have built. God, it's such a fun deck. If you play the game, recommend checking out that Blissey V deck. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Let's open up this Vivid Voltage here. See what we can pull. Definitely would love to get that shiny Pikachu. Green code card, so we all know what that means. Do the card trick here. If I count it out right. Let's see. Pick Peck. Yes. Let's see. Carless. Stone Energy. Rockruff. Rocky Helmet. Didn't do the card trick well on that one. My bad. Do the other Vivid Voltage here. Would love to get that Rainbow Pikachu. Whopper? Whimsir. Alright. Well, we're one of my favorite Pokemon just because he evolves into something huge, which is absolutely awesome. So as I said, I really just got back into Pokemon over the last few months, right when Battle Styles came out. So Chilling Reign is kind of the first set that I've really gotten into, and as far as back into collecting. To be honest with you, I only know the first 151 Pokemon by heart. It's gonna be, I'll probably say names wrong, so forgive me on that. Who knows, maybe that'll be more enjoyable hearing me flutter through some stuff. So Lated, Clefairy, there we go. See, those Kanto ones I know. Love Clefairy. Cute little Pokemon living in Mount Moon. Voltorb. Growlithe, yes, this pack is awesome. Then Didi. Greedent. Big old squirrel. Luxio. I'm not even gonna try. And Tranquil. Alright, Burning Shadows. Alright, come on, there we go. White code? Might get something good. Not even gonna try. Wimpod, Meowth. There we go. Magikarp. Love Magikarp. Porygon Z. Yes, let's go. Ho-Oh-GX. There we go. Anytime you pull an ultra rare, it's a good pack. Good stuff. We're going to sleeve this guy up here. Some Ultra Pro, formerly penny sleeves. We all know those things are much harder to come across now and not a penny anymore. Metapod. And Simisear. Alright, well, not bad. Not bad for that. We got the Eternatus, of course, as well as that Ho-Oh-GX. I did not have that, so pretty cool to have that represented in card form. Now here's the Shadow Rider Calyrex V. So this is, of course, a promo version of the card. Different artwork than the standard version of the card. I'll show you the standard, regular version of the card here. This is in my Psychic deck, so it's already sleeved up with some Dragon Shield sleeves. Everything orange, of course, it's my favorite color. But both great cards. And, of course, that does get you into the Shadow Rider VMAX, which is an amazing card, great ability. This is the alt art for those who haven't seen it. My opinion, one of the most beautiful cards ever. But that Shadow Rider does evolve into Shadow Rider VMAX, which has an amazing ability for funneling energy to your Pokemon. Basically gives you a free attach and then draw 2 with it. So it's a great, great card. As long as Path to the Peak's not out, and then it's kind of useless. But so we got a Paris here, green code card, so no ultra rares coming out of this. Bunnelby, that Mad Party, another fun deck. If you've never played it, it can be a lot of fun. Once again, like any deck, as long as it hits right. So, and Muck. Well, we got a Kanto Pokemon, so I'm not terribly upset. I like that artwork on that Muck. That's really cool. Nice water energy. Parasect, alright. Not bad. Some Kanto Pokemon in that pack, so can't complain too much on that. Going next to the Rebel Clash. Open her up here. Alright, green code card. It sucks. It really sucks. So we got a Wingull. Got a Natu. Let's see. Get this stuff out of the way. Applin. Bronzor. And another Greedent. 2 Greedents in one video. Alright. Now Bronzor I actually do like. Evolves into that Bronzong, will let you do the metal transfer. Great for Zacian decks or any other metal deck. So you can move energy around. So if you know something's about to get knocked out, by all means, switch it out. Alright, so we got a Moltres pack and an Articuno. Moltres is my favorite one of the 3. We're going to leave him out. We'll do him last. Not that the packs, determine what you're going to get, but you like to think, hey, white code card, let's go. Maybe we'll get an ultra rare out of this pack. I'm going to try to put together a video here redeeming those digital codes. Oh, Galarian Slowpoke. Love it. Weedle. A Reap. Ralts. Sandaconda V. Let's go. Ultra rare. Let's go. Anytime you pull ultra rare is definitely a good time. Set that over here. The other good pull. Fighting Energy. Fog Crystal. Great card for Psychic decks. And the Rapid Strike Drizzile. Very, very good card for that Rapid Strike decks. Not the best Drizzile. I prefer the one with Shady Dealings, but that one's still a good card. So this Moltres is going to bring some good luck, I think. Nope. Wrong. I was kidding. I didn't think it was going to be anything good anyway. Galarian Farfetch'd. Like Mr. Farfetch'd. Galarian or Kanto, either one. Alright, we got Rainy Cast Form. The Sad Sobble. Lebe. And And an Abomasnow. Wah, wah, wah. Just the one ultra rare it looks like out of this set here. But hey, we at least got the promo, so there's that. So that's another Shadow Rider in the collection. That makes a playset of 4, so I do have 4 now. Just need a couple more VMAXs to have those. So I love the art on that Ho-Oh. That is I like that. The Shadow Rider, cool to have that promo now. So like I said, that makes a playset. Just got to get that Shadow Rider VMAX and we're done. I thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back as soon as we make more content.